But if you close your eyes,
Biggest lighting ever. Good morning, guys. Come spend the day. I did my nails. I had to remove my nails. Imagine. But I find these ones so cute. Lighting is bad. Anyways, welcome to the vlog.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this, record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Another day, another vlog, another doll. I haven't like forgotten my lip gloss, so hence my lips are so dry. So today we have like afternoon classes. The time right now is 12:45. My class is at 2. I don't know why I got ready so early. But yeah, I just finished getting ready, so I think that's what's gonna happen for today. Oh, I'm also gonna look for a gift for Ntali, so stay tuned for that. I don't know what am I gonna buy her. And then yesterday was her birthday, by the way, so yeah. Right, so I'll see you guys when I go to class. I didn't do my magic intro because you know what. Just kidding, I'm doing it. We're going to class because we're young, responsible queens. We're young, responsible queens, exactly. So we're going to class.
Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you think I left my work this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say nothing from you.
Guys, if you don't eat peanuts, don't talk to us. Don't talk to us. We are
no from tomorrow, ne?
Like literally, she was reading my mind because Mang was like craving peanuts, and Mang was she's like, "Khalila my peanuts."
Last time.
Yeah, last time.
Why are you so angry?
I'm not angry, that's my resting face.
And spores or bacteria will be carried by.
To the vlog.
This is Joy. This is Ikaning. This is Asi. You know how we are. Okay. Is this mine? You're lying. I don't think if I do have a pink thing. Galavanting up to school.
7:15. Okay. That's the time the bus leaves.
Yeah.
So we have to. This one has the last one.
Of course, we deserve a treat. There's two girls. Oh, bro.
No, but we actually need to talk about the
Hey.
Staring
at your dress cause it's see-through.
It's crazy.
Talking not to get that you're the man too. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Then you bitch thinking trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only 5 with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from.
I was gonna cry.
You just got to Miami, need hotel room. Told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42, cause you, hey, keep throwing on that dress, cause you see through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
KFC did us wrong. Oh, you winged it.
That's a wing, my doll. It doesn't have a bone. It does.
Bucket for one and this. And then we catch KFC.
When we catch them.
This is what I got. And this. And KFC. That's my one.
Explain the green one.
Oh, this one. I got Tavi's gift. Yeah. See you when we. Hi guys, it's another day of the vlog. Today I'm feeling okay. It's the time of the month, summer breaking out. Please get me chocolate and then get up. I'm so freaking bloated, I feel like a cow, and my cramps might kill me. Food noodles, because I'm craving something good, something angazi, not something not healthy. Yeah, that's what I'm craving for. So today, I don't think I'm gonna go to class. I don't think I'm gonna go. So I have an assignment to complete. So I'm gonna do that in my bed. And then yeah, that's all. So I'll see you when something interesting happens. Okay, have a lovely day. OOTD. Guys, I just remembered I'm vlogging. Oh, the lighting's so bad. But then we're gonna give him Tabi her gifts, okay? And you slap orders. Thank you, mom and dad. Yes. Yeah, I'm so nervous. No, it's not okay. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi beautiful people, you need to see me unfortunately. I am
Wait.
important right now.
Wait. Yes. Wait.
God alone days.
Me. Guys, it's an ooh, the lights.
We're walking
So have a day. I love vlog. Go ahead and finish watching because we're ridiculous. That's the only way I can explain it.
Are you
Guys, we are going to Snitchy right now to get some food because I have a blessed.
Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house. Right quick, tight jeans on, so you feel my shit.